Hi, good morning. Welcome to this 19th session in our daily discussion on structural and grammatical accuracy in English writing. In this session, you are going to identify and rectify the errors in the uses of prepositions with expressions of time. In English, there are many prepositional phrases expressing time. In this session, we are going to consider only four of them: since, for, from, between. Let's begin with since. Since is a preposition used to indicate a point of time in the past. So it is followed by a reference to a point of time in the past. Since 6 o'clock, since morning, since April, since 2004, since our last meeting, since my childhood, since the dawn of civilization, etc. Since is also followed by a clause stating a past event. It means from the time or day something happened. For example, since I met her, you don't have a reference to time, but you have a reference to an event. Since I met her, since we moved to our new house, since they joined this course, and so on. So that is the second use of since. The next preposition is for. It is used to express a period of time which is called duration. For 30 minutes, for 2 hours, for 4 months, for 6 years, for ages, for generations, and so on. When the duration is expressed clearly rather than vaguely, the time reference can be anything. It can be present, past, or future. It need not necessarily refer to the time connecting the past with the present. Not necessarily so. For example, you can say we have lived here for 3 years. You can also say we lived there for 3 years. You can also say we will wait for the bus stop for 10 minutes. This for 10 minutes refers to the future. So these are the different ways in which for can be used with expressions of time. The next preposition is from. It is always paired with to. From 6 to 9 p.m. From 20th July to 30th September. From 1999 to 2009. The next preposition is between, always paired with and. Between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. Please note that it is not between 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. because it is an error frequently committed in circulars, notices, wedding invitations, and so on. So you have to be very careful about this use. It is between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m., between 15th April and 6th May, between 99 and 2009. That is how you have to use the preposition correctly. So if you have caught the main points about the correct uses of these prepositions, I think it is time to go to the sentences for rectification. Swati is getting financial support from her brother who has been working abroad since the last 5 years. So we have already seen that if duration is indicated, then the correct preposition is for. Or if you want to retain the preposition since, there should be a point of time referred to. So there are two ways in which you can rectify. Let's read the two sentences correctly. Swati is getting financial support from her brother who has been working abroad since 2015. That's the specific point of time. Or you can say for the last 5 years. For the last 5 years. We will see a few more examples to spot the error and rectify. Can you believe that a man was able to live without eating or drinking anything for or since 70 years? So 70 years indicates duration, a period of time. Therefore, the correct preposition should be for. Can you believe that a man was able to live without eating or drinking anything for 70 years? Next sentence. Here's a short dialogue between the former retired principal and a current year student. His mind voice is speaking, it is not explicitly expressed. Let's see it. How is the college now? The principal asks, and the student's mind voice says, far better now since or for you left. Which is the correct preposition? You left is a statement about a past event. So the since is the correct preposition. Read it now. Far better now since you left. That is the correct expression. Next one. We come to know that he had been the secretary of the club from or since 2002 to 2004. Note the preposition to after the year 2002. So, with what is the preposition that pairs with to? It is from, not since. You never use to after since. You use to only after from. So let's read the sentence correctly. We come to know that he had been the secretary of the club from 2002 to 2004. Next sentence. Only liquid food has been given to her since or for she was admitted in ICU. So she was admitted in ICU is a clause or a statement about a past event. So only since can come before that clause. So let's read the sentence now. Only liquid food has been given to her since she was admitted in ICU. So the following three sentences are for your exercise to be done later. So let me run over the sentences quickly. After the GB meeting, a delicious dinner awaits the participants between 8 p.m. and or 9:30 p.m. By next May, I will have completed my service in this college since or for 36 years. COVID-19 has taken a heavy toll of human lives since or for it broke out in January. So these are the sentences for your exercise. You have to do them by yourself, spot the error and also rectify it. Use the correct preposition. Also practice writing sentences with such a prepositional phrases, using them correctly. Okay. Thank you. We'll see the next sentence tomorrow. Bye.